Welcome to another product review. Today we are diving deep into the world of compact and efficient cleaning with the ChuMaste Countertop Dishwasher. Imagine having a portable dishwasher that can fit snugly on your countertop, designed specifically for smaller spaces like apartments, dorms, and offices, or even for your boat or RV. This little marvel can be connected to your tap or manually filled with water. And despite its compact size, with external dimensions of 16.54 by 16.54 by 18.03 inches, and internal dimensions of 13.78 by 13.39 by 12.6 inches, it doesn't skimp on cleaning power. So strap in as we explore how this little powerhouse can make your dishwashing chores a breeze. The ChuMaste dishwasher is packed with features designed for convenience and efficiency. This compact yet powerful machine offers 5 wash programs, giving you the flexibility to choose the perfect cycle for your dishes. And if you're in a hurry, you'll appreciate the fast wash time of just 29 minutes, thanks to the 360-degree spiral high-pressure spray arm that ensures every dish is thoroughly cleaned. What's more, this dishwasher is designed with a dedicated area for dishwasher detergent tablets, taking the guesswork out of dishwashing. And when it's time to dry your dishes, just hit the heat dry button. This feature air dries your dishes, eliminating the need for towel drying and saving you precious time. But the ChuMaste dishwasher isn't just about convenience, it's also about being eco-friendly. It uses a mere 5 liters of water per cycle, and has low power consumption, making it a great choice for those conscious about their environmental footprint. And did we mention it can also clean fruits and vegetables? That's right, in just 19 minutes your produce will be clean and ready to eat. For ease of operation, the ChuMaste dishwasher features a large see-through window and a touchscreen panel. You can easily check on your dishes without opening the door and select your desired settings with a simple touch. And when it comes to drying, ChuMaste has you covered. The dishwasher uses a separate PTC hot air circulation drying system that ensures your dishes are dry and spot-free. Plus, it provides a whopping 73 hours of fresh air ventilation for tableware storage. With all these features, the ChuMaste dishwasher not only cleans your dishes, but also ensures they are dry and fresh. The ChuMaste Countertop Dishwasher is a compact, feature-packed solution for all your dishwashing needs. With its 5 wash programs and a dedicated drying mode, it ensures your dishes are not only clean but also dry, ready to be put away. Its portability and compact design are a boon for those in apartments, dorms, offices, and even boats and RVs. The machine goes beyond the call of duty by not only cleaning your dishes, but also your fruits and vegetables. Its low water and power consumption make it a smart choice for those conscious of their environmental impact. The convenience of connecting it to a tap or manually filling the water tank adds to its appeal. The ChuMaste dishwasher's thoughtful design, including a 360-degree spray pattern for effective cleaning and a large see-through window for easy monitoring, truly sets it apart. Remember, it's not just about cleaning your dishes, it's about making the most of your time and space. If you found this review helpful and want to discover more amazing products, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Until next time, happy cleaning.